Hey guys, today I want to show you the way the Goblet strat works in 1.16. I know you don't use them in 1.16, but for 1.16.5, people like me, you may use this in the future. So um, the way it's constructed is just the same as the one in 1.14, invented by Mango. And so basically it's just a simplified version of the Mango Goblet strat. You do this and you find some slabs. Where's my slab? Yeah, I mean you can just use this slab right here. They're here, right? And you can just put the boat here. Easy. So the Mango's video's link is in the description. You can check it out. Basically, this is the same setup, but I just simplified version. You will see. Here we do this just like normal, and dong 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 dong. And we don't need slab. We don't need power, because this is different. So basically, jump down. You got you do this, right? And that's it. And that's the lava thing. And put on some endermen here. And look at the Monka. Wait, come, guys. And they just die. See, and you're totally safe. They can just die and they leave the pearl. Where's it? Where are the pearls? Yeah, right here. So this is for the lava thing. What if you have a looting strat, looting sword? If you have a looting sword, you're just doing a different way, but it's simpler. So the setup is the same for both parts. Shoot, I don't have to jump. And that's it. That's it. See? Very easy, very simple. And just pick a sword or anything. And so I look at them, oh, Monka. And they just, wait. Right? They're here. You can jump or anything. It's, or sometimes there are too many. This one's out of capacity, so never mind. So if I have endermen under 4, like this is dangerous, because you can't get on the boat. But as long as your boats still have capacity, you are safe. You are totally safe. And what you do here, just swipe them, swipe them like this with your looting sword, or you can just use the X, swipe them for several times. You think, okay, it's good. I'm gonna use this sword, because sometimes you get a golden sword and it doesn't have many durability. Yeah, you can just use this method. Yeah, that's it for today. Thank you.